Bird marathon day number 8.
And I'm working
In how do? What the heck? Why is my taps? My taps. Oh, Jesus! Oh, I just figured out a feature. Okay.
Who else gonna try to stop it? We got a bro.
I didn't mean to turn on that feature on. But yay, how do? Pidgey. Oh, little.
Wait. Oh, it's not Gigantamax Duraludon. It's just regular. It's just old regular old Dynamax.
Jesus. It do some little trolling right now. Bah. Sluggable balls. I don't know why I'm just attracted to this for some reason. I just want to play with it. Look at this people up. I've been having coughs again. Oh, crit capture. Okay. Come on, please go, Larry. But whoa, look at that! It's just a Wobbuffet. Trying to show Colton Rock one of Pokemon Go players. He's also playing Pokemon Sword. Yeah.
I'm fighting the Duraludon with my Zacian.
Charmander!
Dynamax, the Duraludon.
Ziggy the Zigzagoon. Yes. Oh my god, it literally showed up right straight to my face. I want to name it Ziggy the Zigzagoon and keep it.
Okay.
Doobie. Ziggy. Oh. Bye Ziggy. I don't have enough space for you. I'm like, okay, Colton? I said bye Ziggy. I don't have any more space for you. Bug dirt. Ziggy the Zigzagoon too. I found his brother or sister, whatever. Break. Yeah. Yeah, it's his brother. Dude's making sick meat. Please cure my sickness with a galarian bird. It's a pillow swine. Oricorio with the pillow swine. No, with the pillow swine. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Pillow swine. Pillow swine. It's actually pillow swine. That's how I say that. Because it looks like pillow. Pile of swine. Swine up. Oh, I think why it's...
Pokemon Ghost to update.
Yeah, it had many updates throughout. It had some updates throughout. Rules. It's yeah. It had some updates throughout 2022, which is like first updates. I can't even stand this little tracking thing.
Yes, I feeling.
Gotta make him understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Stop freaking attacking my Pokeballs. You're too shy to say it. So loud. Feeling. Gonna make you. Never gonna give you up. Get in the freaking bowl. Okay, I got it. Desert you. Never gonna make you cry. I just realized I'm recording. And that's hurt you. Oh God. Oh God. This is not good. Thinking back and hurt you. Ooh, give you up. Ooh, give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give.
Yeah, see, this is GMAC Poloss already.
Blech. Oh, that. You don't try to say it. One time.
Going on.
Say it. I just wanna know how you feel. Gotta make it understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. You.
Never gonna let you down.
My. Ow! The heck? Bruh's just so rude about it. Bro, that kid is so rude about it. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Caw, I'm a restaurant. Bruh. What are the moves? Dragon Breath and Fusion Flare. Yeah.
Brother?
Hey, that's your brother.
What's his name? You literally have to add it.
Oh, Parker. Like, I don't know how I added him on. I think it was just a random code online. No. How did I get you? Wait, did I go up to you and just ask for your code, or was it like somebody else that played on phone? Flirt, flirt. Flirt, flirt. Flirt, flirt. Flip, flop. Oh my god, I'm gonna keep that magic carp. Dude, look at this magic carp. My best one so far.
Bro, get it perfect. Get it perfect.
That's a Lanu.
I coughed up so hard. Galario. Oh, what the? What the? Look at this, Colton.
Bro, me and Colton caught that.
What?
Me and Colton caught that in a lake.
What the heck? Okay, this is kind of more rare than a galarian bird. Dude. Hold up, in the wild. Dude, I had to waste 100 Pokecoins for getting my Pokedex updated, right? I just got the cloister. I'm keeping that cloister. CLOY. Transfers Pokemon. Like.
Wait, G-Max is like pancake, bro.
We dropped the code off. We're going down the plaza and dropping everybody else in the plaza. Okay, if you live on Blue Jays, I'm not going down there. I have Chloe, Kaden, and the other boy. You guys can walk on that one street where we dropped. You want to do that? If not, you got to wait till we come back around. Okay? Just letting you guys know, the bus is crowded. I got to get some kids off the bus. Okay? So, today, after I drop the code on the highway, I'm dropping all the stops on Park Plaza only off. Okay?
Dude, a wild Ursaring? Dude, wait, you can evolve an Ursaring right now. But I don't have enough candy.
At this point,
This is probably hinting to the... Bruh. Dude, what are these spawns? What are these spawns? What are these spawns, dude?
are you serious? Or you?
Bruh. Bruh. My character was Deja Vu. Also in the wild. The Ziggy, the Zigzoom. Colton, why are all these rare Pokemon spawning?
I don't know. Sorry, quite a few.
Hitmonchan. Come on, Galarian bird. Come on now. Come on, Galarian bird. Come on now, Galarian bird. Come on now. I need the Galarian bird. Meowth.
What are you doing?
Freaking Meowth. No. I need one more spawn. Cast form. Head and two balls. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Snoops. No! Ah!
And pheasant to a Japanese.
Bah.
You know, you might not be able to find me. I'm just pretty sure you might. A boulder. Wait, wasn't a giveaway?
Okay, bye-bye, guys. This is day 3. I'm at day 8. Alright, bye, guys. See you later.